guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I blend clip-in extensions with my short, very thick hair. I've kind of, come up with a solution to make it look as natural as possible. I'm wearing them right now. This hair is from UNice Hair, and I made them into clip-ins myself. If you want to see a video on how I make clip-in extensions at home, definitely make sure to let me know and I'll do that. But yeah, this hair is by UNice Hair. This is their Brazilian body wave. I'm pretty sure it's body wave. It wasn't 22 inches, but as you can see, I've cut quite a bit of it off. I didn't cut it very good, as you can see. I'm not good at cutting, but my mom actually helped me make the extensions because I was really tired, and for some reason I just could not do it fast, so she helped me out, and she literally told me this hair is so soft, that's crazy. So yeah, it's extremely soft. I do still have to dye it black because my natural hair is black right now. I dyed it black. I just wanted to make this video, and I am going to be doing another video using this hair, and I'll make sure it's black and my hair will be clean because it's actually kind of greasy now. I will leave all the links to this hair down below for you to purchase if you want and check it out. And I've worked with UNice before, and they just have really good quality hair that I definitely recommend. I've been wearing wigs so much lately that I just kind of wanted a break from them for a little bit and wear my natural hair down. And since my natural hair is not that long and I don't really love how it looks, extensions are my solution to getting some more length. That's pretty much that. If you want to know how to put in clip-in extensions for short hair, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna try to move to the side a little bit so you can see hopefully what I'm doing. So the first thing I do is obviously my first section, which is pretty low down here, if you can see that. And then I put the rest of the hair up. And since my hair is short and you're gonna have to deal with these short pieces, what I do is I put them into a braid. It doesn't have to be a perfect braid, literally just put it in a braid or a twist even. And then I take it to the opposite side, and then I'm gonna pin it down. I will turn around in a second so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully this will show. It's probably not perfect. I can't even see myself. It just needs to be pinned up and away. So then I go in with my first track. It's not straightened right now. Well, I straightened it a little bit, but it's not straight. But I think I'm gonna go in with either a curling iron or a straightener after I put it in. But I just go ahead and clip this down. There you go, that's the first one. And then take a section right above that. But I really don't leave a whole lot of space because I want the hair to be quite full. So I part it above that section. And I grab that hair and I braid it as well. And I do this with the first 3 rows. Just to kind of, I don't know, I just feel it looks more natural because you don't have to deal with the shorter pieces throughout the hair. And since my hair is so thick, it's hard to blend these extensions no matter what hair I get. Yeah, it's hard to blend my hair with extensions because it's just so thick. So doing this allows me to get rid of a little bit of that thickness. I'm gonna try to show you again. This is what you get. Then you take the second one and do the same thing. Clip it down, and then you have this. And if you do it the right way, the pin, the hair will be pinned down quite flat, so you're not gonna see a weird bump or anything. Then I go in a little bit above my ears, not too much. I'm gonna leave out these because I do want to keep the hair right here. I don't know, that's just my personal preference. You can break these along, but I just like having them down because it gives a more natural look, if you're putting your hair behind your ears or something. And again, I go in and braid this section. And then I pin this down as well. I'm close to taking off this lip gloss because it's really just keeps getting on my teeth. If you feel like it's not staying very well, the clip, then what you can do is just, instead of like tweezing your hair, you can kind of put it in, twist it around a couple times, and then clip it down. But you don't want to do this too much because it can like cause breakage on your hair. And you also don't want to do it on like a piece of hair that's like too thin, because sometimes that's the case, and then all you want to do is just pull a little bit of hair down and just like clip it on there. Okay, so now I'm not going to be pinning anything away anymore. Oh, my camera's dying. That is great. So what we're gonna do now is to grab a section a little bit above the one we just did. So we're taking, oh, my hair's like sticking to my arms. We're just gonna be clipping this like normal. At this point, I don't really pin away hair anymore. If your hair is thicker than mine, then I would say go ahead. Or if you have like shorter hair than me, I'm gonna try to sit back a little bit so you can see a bit better. Just gonna continue on to the top. I might do a side parting because my bangs are growing out, but they're at like a really awkward length right now, and it doesn't look very cute. So I might do like a side parting and curl the hair because I feel like that's gonna look the most natural. And I made these extensions myself, as I said in the intro. I feel like regular, like if you have really thick hair, like regular extensions like that you buy in like a set, most likely aren't going to be enough, and it's just, you're gonna have to like buy a second one, and it's just like too much of a hassle. So I really just recommend making your own, and it saves you so much money, and you can completely customize it how you want. It's just so much better because I can make as much as I need in my hair, you know, for it to look natural. And if I would buy a set, I would most likely, like, even if it's like a thick, like a heavy one with like a lot of grams of hair, I would probably still need like more because my hair is short and it's thick and it's just never enough. Like that's something I always struggle with, which is why I don't buy sets of extensions. If one of the clips feels like it's tugging on your hair or it just doesn't feel nice, and just take it out and put it back in. Don't let it just sit there because it can really rip out your hair. This is the moment that you want to like decide your parting and brush it down that way. I'm going to section over here. I'm putting another, I have a clip. My arms are so sticky because I put lotion on them and my hair keeps like clinging onto it. I think what I'm going to do, probably straighten it because I like straight so much. Maybe straighten it and then curl the ends of the hair. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to cut the hair. So I have already went in and cut the hair because it's not as long as it used to be. I think I want to like cut it up to like here or something. Just have it like short as hell. I think I'm going to straighten it first and then decide. I went ahead and cut the hair. It's not perfect, obviously, because I'm not good at cutting. That's why I didn't film it either. I'm just going to quickly curl it a little bit, I think. This is what it looks like. I definitely just prefer wearing my hair behind my ears because of my bangs and the weird just short pieces I have going on right now. But you can't even see the hair color difference that much. It would definitely look better if it was also like jet black, but I'm not gonna like go in and curl every piece, but I just wanna bring back a bit of texture. Ow! Ow! I just fucking burnt my finger. This would look so much better if my hair wasn't dirty. Because it's honestly so dirty and greasy right now. It's not that cute. So after doing that, what I also really like doing is going in and kind of laying my baby hairs. This makes my hair look less frizzy. If you have very naturally straight hair, you won't have to do this. But I'm just taking a little bit of Got2b glue because it's the only gel that will keep my hair down on my toothbrush. I usually do this before I do my makeup because it literally takes off your makeup, which I don't like. I'm like scratching down because my mirror is so low. I can't see shite. I need a tissue. It's really cute, really pretty. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you want to see like any other hair videos using clip-in extensions, because I think I'm going to be wearing them for like a couple weeks now. Maybe doing like hairstyles or like ponytails. I want to do a video on how to put your hair in a ponytail with extensions. But also, you know, how I make them. If you want to see that, let me know. And make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.